Enchanté, Vivi. Today we're going to be making a mock duck confit with some beautiful U.S. wellness meats, duck legs. Well, duck legs and thighs. See, beautiful, beautiful duck legs. Pasture raised, of course. Unbelievable. That's why I'm wearing this beautiful French hat. Well, it's kind of French hat. It's a newsboy's cap. But anyway, that's small news. This is big news. Simple, easy. We're just going to put them in the oven. Preheated oven, 300 degrees, 1, 2, 3, salted. A lot of fat's gonna render out of these guys, and that's what's going to make that beautiful, succulent, fall off the bone decadence that the duck confit has. So today, we're gonna make that easy in the oven. 1, 2, 3, duck confit, oui, oui. We need to salt it nice. And you don't have to do this in any order particular. And one of the most important things besides salting it is scoring it. So, just slice the skin, because this is what's going to render out the fat. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, no design, just quick little scores. Oregano and rosemary as well. And we're going to roast it fat side up. So you'll find in a lot of these roasted duck recipes that it involves flipping the duck and kind of looking after the duck, which there's nothing wrong with that, and basting with its own fat, which is good and great. But if you don't have time for that, if you want to just set it and forget it and do something for the next 2 hours, because that's how long this is going to cook for, 2 hours, 300 degrees roughly, then you can do that. And I'm going to teach you a nice little trick of how to keep that skin nice and crispy and render out all of that fat. All right, so our ducks are ready to come out of the oven. Now I'm going to show you my secret for the duck confit, because we know traditional duck confit takes about 24 hours or so, low and slow preservation method. But this is equally as awesome tasting and way easier. Oh, sorry tripod. Ooh, look at that. Magnifique. Magnifique, c'est bon. Listen to that sizzle. Usually, what happens is we baste this. We have to sit around every 40 minutes, every 30 minutes, every 20 minutes. You got to baste. But what I'm going to do here is I have a preheated skillet, non-stick. Although these won't really stick to much. And what we're the skins
crispy already.
It is crispy. It's very crispy, as you can see. So let's pan down to the pan. Probably about 5 minutes on each side, low. So as you can see, our duck is golden brown and it looks unbelievable. I mean, it looks like it's just gonna crunch right into your mouth. And you can hear, knock knock, who's there?
Yummy,
quack
yummy.
quack. Mock duck confit.
From still you.
So our duck has rested, and it's time to taste. It's time to let you know how delicious this U.S. Wellness Meats duck truly is. Oh man, you guys hear that? Crunch, crunch, crunch. That skin is so crispy. The smell is euphoric. C'est bon this meat is, c'est bon. C'est bon, look up what c'est bon means in French. My mom's looking at me like, everyone's gonna love this. U.S. Wellness Meats, thank you. Again, I can't stop eating it.
I hear it crunching.
You can hear the skin crunch like a cracker. The flavor, incredible. 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 Also guys, I have some very exciting news to share with you. I just released our newest trailer to our feature film, Vaccination. It's an awesome, fun horror thriller that touches upon real subjects and topics in society today, and I think it'll be a very good, fun, purposeful form of entertainment for you to watch. So please subscribe, like, share, check it out. You can find it on my website, on my YouTube page. Please just spread the word, and I gratefully appreciate your time, your patience, and your kindness. And thank you again, U.S. Wellness Meats. You guys are just so unbelievably beautiful to me and my family, and everything is just such a pleasure. So thank you. Have a beautiful day.